Good morning, guys. It's the first day of my solo trip, and I've reached Dharamshala just some minutes ago. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm having chai because it's so freezing cold. So by the time the shops open, yeah, I'll take you around as I'm waiting in the bus stop right now. Vlog it. Hi guys, look what I found. Where is it? Hi everyone, I just reached the Dalai Lama temple, which I'm going in further. Let's see what's there for us. Hey guys, so I thought I will explore the place here in Mekloikanj. So I just came out of my hotel room and I'm pretty nervous and it's so freaking cold right now. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just exploring because it's just so beautiful right now. Finally 1 kilometer. On my way to Dharamkot village, which I've seen lots of the tourists going there and exploring there. It is basically a village where yoga is very famous for, and it is around 3 to 4 kilometers away from my hotel, and I've been walking up the hill for so long, but the place looks so beautiful. Hi guys, we have reached the Dharamkot village, which is in the Himalayan region, and yeah, it's pretty interesting, and I'm still so shocked that they don't have roads here. The only thing that leads for the mode of transportation is the donkeys, and yeah, it's all alleys everywhere. Hi guys, and I have reached another location here. it's already getting dark, and yeah, but this place looks so beautiful and so gorgeous. This is the Saint John in the Wilderness Church. It is dedicated to the John the Baptist, and yeah, there's a graveyard there which looks pretty scary, but yeah, and there's no one here and I'm alone. I came down all the way from the McLeodganj bus station. Oh yeah, somewhere else. So if you have enjoyed this vlog, do subscribe to my channel, and yes, wait for the second vlog, day 2 vlog, which will be uploading in like 1 to 2 weeks maybe. And yeah, see you, bye.